anything that is uncritically adored, revered, or admired, or is regarded as a symbol of a particular culture or sphere, etc. An idol.
Get out with LPP, yeah, you know me. Get out with LPP, yeah, you know me. Get out with LPP. My ghetto passion, born next to the project. Living in the slums with one session I watch. Do I can't handle the scandal of an uptown vandal? Shooting up your toes, making sandals. Somebody told me that you owe me, but can't nobody hold me. Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. Paraders, many hungry hip hop is one reason hip hop the top today. So what you heard, cause I ain't bellin' no hay. Boy, bad move, boy, new with no school boy. Now watch your man take out all the school boys. And don't get out of touch. Down, get down. Once we came back cause we heard hip hop needed another anthem. Giving the realism, stating the great wisdom, journalism, the most is writing graffiti on a state prison. Ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. When I'm ready to rock and roll, I lock and load, I blow the blocks and roll. Yes, y'all, met y'all, say gas and all.
I like the way you rock, how you tryna play me.
Urban apparel, like I told you before. Click, clack, clack with the clown. You're back to the Chadwick.
Right now, the new Naughty album is finished. It's entitled IIcons. So don't get it twisted. Naughty by Nature has a brand new monster.
Al Wow right here, Al Wow from Ill-Town, Hollywood, yo. I don't watch movies, I make them. Drama right here, Allen, Whalen. But dig this, right? Naughty doing their new album. Supposed to be a whole lot of celebrities out here. Pink card time. I'm a poly with them, you know. I might could get me a deal of some sort. You understand what I'm saying? I'll be back.
Pink cutie wink once, hat on fitted jeans, thong showing in pink pumps.
I will never again, ever work with this one.
Check it. I first met her at the Fox Hill Mall, getting out of a car. Shared a homie with her, stood about 6 feet tall. Poke swing, couldn't help but think menage a trois. So where you from? We represent Crenshaw, where they bang by law, slip you drag for your car. Oh, and I'm Kelly, and her name is Sherry.
See, man, what you doing out here, man?
Yo, you know this is my Suburban, man. What are you doing? Yeah, man.
Y'all came out here to holler for the album,
Look, man. I got 3 rows back here. You just jump in the back, man. I'll take you to where everybody else at.
Oh, you can't see the naughty by nature. Oh, you can't see my naughty by nature.
I got a cross that pulls me. God first, stay styling, get balls bullies. I start dialing, Allen Wallin, come to break records, sell records, hooks channel, people make on millions, make way, we make anthems. Old school ruler, get chased by state troopers. Hit power 106 in the beat with hot music, hot 9-7. We combine to get cabbage, most musical, most mixed group, most added. Not a pillow, Negro. Don't sleep, stay focused. If you up front and blunt like swishes, time to smoke it. Bone to pick what? Al Capone wants his cut. Give him that.
See the naughty by nature, so don't even try. Can't see my naughty by nature. Oh, you can't see the naughty by nature, so why ask why? Can't see my naughty by nature. Oh, you can't see the naughty by nature. Oh, you can't see my naughty by nature.
It's the regular Johnny and putting it in style with naughty by nature. It has that they know to be some wild motherfucker. Now we gonna put this shit on wax. When you get ass women, so you can scare motherfucker. Get up out the club right now. It's all about right now, motherfucker. We some wild motherfuckers. Look a nigga up and down, motherfuckers. North to south, motherfuckers. Yeah, you like my style, motherfuckers. Get wild, motherfuckers.
We decided to have a big dream. Let's bring the biggest, baddest hip-hop band in history to Nigeria.
Gully gangsters, we in Africa in the jungle with the pop.
Come with the rah-rah, shake your rah-rah, break your rah-rah, the rowdy rah-rah, we the rah-rah, he the rah-rah,
wow, everywhere.
Niggas with rah-rah, it's a lyrical drive-by. I'm for the hard drop, at a double the IIcons. Ain't go with ill-town, don't fuck around, clown. We put the pound down, but we shutting your sound down. Jersey jacket for riches, giving snitches to snitches. Smacking them bitches who think they wearing the britches. Gorillas out on the mission, it's turning up listen. Didn't listen to visit, now we got pot to visit. Opposition's out of commission, listen. I'll be busting that ass until you see submission. I'm with you niggas for bringing they boys on. This is a war song, you niggas don't want none of this lyrical poison.
This is Steve Irwin, not from Australia, but I'm from Illtown. We're out here in the African bush. Gorillas on the mist. Stay tuned, Mike.
Now we gonna do the feels good thing, 3L dub baby with Naughty by and Wham.
And we're here chilling with Naughty by Nature on the Feel Good video shoot.
Tang, tang, I don't wanna go. Party ain't a party if it ain't naughty. Body to body dance, naughty. Oh lordy, it's icon and naughty. It's the groove, move more of us. Hey, come on tour with us. If everybody smiles, it makes the whole day glorious. Slide left, slide right. Throw your hands high, I know that's right. The eyes strong, we ride strong. Double icons, wanna stop hurting, better let bygones be bygones. Slide left, slide right. Not just mine out, why let me find out? Ooh ah, ooh ah. Outdoor with Injo. Hey yo, hands drop the keys out the window. We got the Molly with my yardies, we partying. Cause after the party is the after party.
Let me see how you rock with it. About to be a baby, drop with it. And don't worry about a damn thing.
Be clear, it's going down. Funk Master Flex with 2 Suburbans and a hearse. Cause I'm killing them out there. Naughty by Nature, you know how that goes. Shout Jers, another album.
Oh, where's my kitty cat? Where's my kitty cat at? Welcome to our
Naughty by Nature, some real niggas, and y'all should buy the album because it ain't really a lot of real niggas in the game. So, but he's with some real niggas, them naughty niggas.
Tretch and Ben Rock. Ben got the distinguished voice that I always like. My man Tretch doing it big on the TV screen. Been a big fan of Naughty by Nature.
IIcons, get that coming out soon. If you ain't with that, you ain't with nothing, alright?
Remember the hits.
Naughty by Nature, icons coming soon.
Hip hop wouldn't be hip hop without Naughty by Nature. More icons.
It's IIcons, yo, I heard a couple. It's phenomenal. Watch the album, it's crazy. The album. 10 years in the game, dog. 10 years in the game, so they've been running, man. Y'all go ahead and show that love, alright?
It's Naughty by Nature. It's going down.
Naughty by Nature is not the rule for a reason. And hip hop and the world needs Naughty by Nature.